Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's all about how to make money online, tips and tutorials on website review. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I'm road to 1,000 subscribers, so kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the website money online by testing apps or testing website, etc. So just go check them yourselves and see if you're going to apply them or not. So if you want to maximize your earning, you can try to maybe use a proxy, but it's available worldwide, so you can just apply wherever you are. So the first website that you are going to use, it's called user testing. As you can see here, it's written get paid to test. So if you want to apply, you just need to come here, click start here. So as you can see here, what are you looking to do? As you can see, this one it's for customer, for employers who give out the task. But for you, you just need to come here to click and get paid to test. As you can see, boost your monthly income in your free time. You just need to, as you can see here, submit your email and take a quick practice test to join our global network of trusted contributors. Answer screening question to match with earning potential opportunities. New survey and recorded tests are released all the time. As you can see, the tests share your perspective via tests you match with and help best-in-class brands improve their products and services. And after that, after doing your tests, you are rewarded. Yeah. So as you can see, the earning opportunities, it's a survey, recorded test, live conversation. So just go try this website and come back to tell me if it worked for you or not. As you can see, it's PayPal the only way you can get paid. Yes, so the payment method for this website is PayPal. Yeah, you can just check it out and see how it works. So the second website that we are going to use, it's called YouTest. So on this website, you just need to click here on become a YouTester. As you can see, you just need to tell us about yourself. You just need to log in your email, surname, date of birth, yeah, and then continue. So for the payment method, so let's check it out. So also for the payment method, they usually use PayPal. So as you can see here, when companies like Uber need to ensure few feature is ready before rolling it globally, they utilize YouTesters to validate. Yeah, so just come here, test it out, and then you're going to tell me how it works. And my third website, it's called userfeel.com. So as you can see, as I use user testing without needing a subscription. So if you want to start testing, you just need to click here, start testing. So you log in with your Gmail. So the process for joining, it's just the same with the rest of the website. So come here. Unfortunately for this website, as you can see here, registration are closed. For new testers are closed at the moment. So you can just come here. So you can just go ahead and apply the first two. So if you want to know if this website is working, you can go through the testimonial here. Also, you can make sure you go through the scam advisor to maybe scan the website that you are going to try online. Each and every time before you try website, make sure you just try them on scam advisor, and maybe you search for reviews online on Facebook, on Google reviews. Yeah. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.